good morning and welcome back to Maths class children. Today we are going to start question number 7 of main question number 8, chapter number 13. Already I explained up to question number 6. The cost of 15 DVDs is rupees 375. Dipti wants to buy 45 DVDs. How much money will she need? Okay, this is our question. So first of all, we will write question number 7. Children, here, yes. 15 DVDs, cost of 15 DVDs, how much? First will write cost of 15 DVDs, how much? That is rupees 375. Rupees 375. Then children, if cost of 15 DVDs cost is 375, then cost of one DVD will be less. Okay, for less we always divide. 375 divided by 15. So if you will divide, then you will get the amount. What is 15 twos are 30 and 15 fives are 75. So what will be the cost of 51 DVD? That will be 25. 15 twos are 30, 15 fives are 75. So this will be the cost of one. Now, but he wants to buy how much? DVDs, cost of 45 DVDs. Okay, I am not writing, putting commas, you have to write completely. One DVDs cost rupees 25, then 45, you will multiply 25 by 45. So you will get the answer. Okay, that 25 fives are 125, 12, 25 fours are 100. So this will be your answer. I hope children you understood what is the question number 13 and question number, sorry, not question number 13, this is question number 8, 7th we have done. Now we will start question number 8. Yes children, there are 117 members in a relief committee. Each member gave rupees 85 as a donation. The collected amount was distributed among 15 poor persons equally. How much amount would each person get? Okay. So first of all, what we have to do, how many members total? 117. Each contribution of each member 85. So first, if one member contributes rupees 85, then 117 members contribution 117 into 85, that will be, first you will multiply 117 by 85. Okay, then afterward what will you do? Collected amount was distributed among 15 persons. Okay, so total amount, that is what will be 117 into 85, and total number of persons जिनमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है that is 15. Okay, Now children, what we have to find out, how much amount each will get. Okay, how much amount each person, amount each person gets, that will be less. For less, I have not multiplied children here, but you can multiply also, then afterward you can divide. Okay, I have not multiplied 117 by, okay, 85, because calculation, to make the calculation easier, now I am showing. If you will multiply, you write here that amount and divide afterward. To get the each person's amount, you have to divide by 15, but I am showing the another method how you can save the time. Okay, now this is each will get, we will divide this amount by 50. Okay, so 5 threes are 15, then 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are, what is that, 35. Now by the table of 3 you will multiply, not multiply, you will divide this one. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 nines are 27. Understood children? So if you will multiply 39 by 17, you will get 663 rupees. Okay, how I have done? 79s are, what is that? Many of you are not knowing the tables. This is the reason. Okay, you, once you revise the table, you will get. Now question number, multiplication you know, so you do yourself. Now question number 9. A shopkeeper wants to pack 19,650 laddus. A box can carry 25 laddus. How many boxes will be needed to pack all laddus? So number of boxes, if you have to find out, you have to divide. First you will write down total number of laddus, then total number of laddus to be packed, then total number of laddus in one box. Okay, if you have to find out number of boxes, that means you have to divide these laddus in 20 by 25. Okay, so that you will get the number of boxes. So that question 9th I explained how to do. First statement will be total number of laddus to be packed. Second, in a box, how many laddus are there? 25. In one box, there are 25. Then number of boxes you will write 19,650 divided by 25. You will get the answer. Now question number 10, children, you see a shopkeeper sold 842 bottles of juice for rupees 53,888. Sohani bought 60 bottles. How much money would 60 bottles? How much money would be paid by her? A juice shopkeeper sold 842 bottles for rupees this. This sum I explained like this sum as, let me see where I have done question number. Okay, like this children. As cost of one DVD I got in the 7th question. Same way children, here in the question number 10, you will find the cost of, same way as we have done in the 7th, cost of one bottle. Okay, then you will divide cost of one. To get the cost of one bottle, you will divide same way as shopkeeper. You will write the statement as we have written in the 7th one. 842 bottles, cost of 842 bottle, rupees 53,888. Then cost of one bottle, that means 53 1888 divided by, what is that? 842, as we have done, you see here, as we have done here. Okay, then cost of one bottle, you show the division. Then you have to find out the cost of 60 bottle. Here we have to find out cost of 45 DVDs. So you will do same way, children. For 60 bottle you will multiply the cost of one bottle that you will get after division. Okay, then that value will be multiplied by the 60 bottle. You will get the answer of question number 10th, children. So I hope you understood up to question number 10th. You finished that. Then in the next class I will explain you afterward, and you may try yourself also, children, for remaining questions.